Hi there and welcome to Story Time with Uncle Bill. We're out here on the New River. This is the launch pad. You gotta watch out because the damn alligator could be right here. But it's a pretty shallow area. We're in the back of my buddy's yard, about to get some of his kayak and stuff. We got my buddy C-Dubs all ready to go. And we're gonna do a little product review today. And our energy drink reviews. We got a Prime, the Ice Pop. You know, that's a picture right there. Take a picture. Take a picture right quick. Say cheese. You know everybody that got to do that damn thumbs up. But look, I got to go get my kayak, so we're filming that right quick. All right. We already inspected the kayak. She's good to go. We got safety first. All right. I've seen everybody try anything. I think I ever really had one. Ice Pop. Looks like it's got some good stuff in it, a bunch of vitamins. I like Ice Pops. Here we go. It smells. And tastes like a firecracker. If you ever had it, looks like this, and it's red, blue, and yellow. Kind of weak at the end, but it's not like an aftertaste. It just, the taste doesn't hold there. But that's being harsh on it because this is good. I like to have my energy drinks with a little bit more stuff than this. But overall rating, I got to give it. It's a 10. I like the taste. It's got good stuff in it. Ain't nothing wrong with that. That's the Prime Ice Pop. But look, with anything like this, consult your physician first. Could be more harmful than helpful. I don't know. Nothing really gives me that super burst of energy, and there's no really. Here's the can. You've never seen it. You know, you can get them at almost any local store. Things on the back. It's all right. So I was gonna put it in my thing. I'm gonna go ahead and down it. Hope everybody's having a good day and staying safe. You're about to hit the water up, man. If you can't hit that like button, share the video, subscribe if you haven't.